Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that this one that is about the constant. So we just consider about sine beta s, cosine beta s, and e to the power of alpha s. So in this one, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. That means y equals to ab. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in this one we have like this. So if we do first derivative of sine beta s, we have cosine beta s multiplied by beta. This one we have positive sine beta s with beta. So this one we have beta square in here, and this one we change for sine. This one we have alpha e to the power of alpha s, because if we do first derivative of e to the power of alpha s, we keep the same e to the power of alpha s. Later that we need to do first derivative of alpha s. You got alpha, and this is the final answer we need to write in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.